Hey everyone, it's Carrie. So I wanted to come by and do this hairstyle for you. If you're interested in seeing how to achieve it, stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is divide your hair into 4 sections. I'm doing this style on flat ironed hair. If you're interested in seeing how I straighten my hair, definitely check out that flat iron video. Next, I'm taking a smaller section from the back of my head and I'm going to clip away the excess. Then I'm taking the Flexi Rod. I'm starting from the ends of my hair and I'm wrapping it around the Flexi Rod, and then I'm going to roll the Flexi Rod upwards towards my head. Once I've done that, I'm going to bend the top of the Flexi Rod downwards and then the bottom part of the Flexi Rod upwards so that it locks it in place. At this point, I just repeat the same steps over and over again until my whole head is finished. And I use about 12 Flexi Rods for this style. You'll see me alternating between the orange Flexi Rods and the gray ones only because they're about the same size, and I just didn't have enough of one color. So that's why you'll see me alternating between the gray and the orange. Put my bonnet on and go to bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. So I'm about to take my hair out, taking off my bonnet. Okay, so the first thing that I do is put some oil on my hands, and this is the Argan Oil of Morocco. Just a little bit. Just rub it on my hands like this. And then just start taking out the Flexi Rods. Cute little curl, right? Came out pretty good. Now I'm just breaking the curls apart just to give it more body. So I'm just combing my hand through my hair. I'm just going to be playing in my hair until I get it to where I want it to be. I'll probably swoop the hair on. Oh, that's kind of cute, right? Yeah. Ooh. Girl, okay, right? Oh, this is cute. All right. You get some edge control and put that down. Just gonna take some gel and just slick my sideburns down a little bit. I don't know why I like doing this. I just think it looks cute. I'm doing it on this side too.